Welcome to TreadmillTracks by RD Concepts. RD Concepts wanted to use the iFit program to help them train for races. iFit on your exercise equipment will allow sound waves to go to it from your computer by just plugging a sound cable between your computer and the equipment. For TreadmillTracks, we wanted to simulate races as close as possible. Initially, what you'd want to do is set your minimum maximum incline of your device, your incline increment, your minimum and maximum speeds, and the number of times you send a tone to it. You also have the, whenever you're bringing in races, feet abbreviation, mile abbreviation, and of course feet, how many feet are in a mile. All these have default settings to them, but they will need to be modified to meet your particular settings on your exercise equipment. Will also allow you to go out there and create or modify existing races. The Passavant 5K race we can look at. We can go out there and we can modify it, and as you can see, have length or incline, the cumulative length of it. You can delete legs, you can add to them, you can move legs around. Or you can also, like I said earlier, you can create from scratch. We also allow you to go out there and copy a race, and if you want to do a slight modifications, like in this case a Passavant 5K race, you can go out there and select that and modify it just a little bit to meet more of a training need that we have. Now, as any races, if we want to go out there and we want to go around and check out the actual GPS settings of a race to get the incline and the positions and the exact amounts, we can do that. And if the GPS will save it as a text file, we allow you to import in comma delimited, fixed length, or tab delimited text files. We just have some examples on the screen, but we'll take the Passavant 5K text files. If we open that up, as you can see, it was created by GPS track point GPS device, and it already automatically says the first line is a header, and I'll go through there and automatically try to find out how everything is delimited. But what you need whenever you do bring a race over from a GPS device is leg length or the altitude of it. We also can have a description here. We can say process, and it'll bring all that over and hit the settings that's needed in TreadmillTracks to run that race. Since we already have Passavant race, we'll just go ahead and cancel it. Now we'll go down here and do the select the Passavant race. You can see it's all in there and already simulated for us. The graphic on the bottom shows the different inclines, and we can change it around. We can change around to say, okay, take out certain legs that we don't want to do. And we'll just go ahead and remove some up here. If you wanted to, you can even add one back. And the length at the top will automatically go for how you want it. In this case, we won't run a very small race. We'll say we're going to run at 5 miles per hour. And the sound waves will send the length of the race. It'll keep track of how long you're going, and it'll change the inclination. Want to, you can pause it to get off the equipment, or you can start back up. And at the very end, a stop will go and cause this to stop. You can also, another feature is during the race, you're running 7 miles an hour. You can also change it, and you can change your speed as you're going along the race, and it will automatically update it. We built this to simulate the race as much as possible, so you have a 30-day trial, and if you want to buy a license key to make it longer, go out there and please purchase from us at RD Concepts. Thank you for considering us.